In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to specific WhatsApp messages. This is one of the simplest ways to keep conversations clear, especially in busy group chats where messages can pile up fast. By replying to a specific message, your response will include a small quote of the original so everyone knows exactly what you're referring to. First, open WhatsApp and head to the chat where you want to respond. This can be a one-on-one conversation or a group. Make sure you've scrolled to the message you want to reference, whether it's text, a photo, or even a voice note. The feature works the same on most modern versions of the app. When you've found the message you want to quote, press and hold on that message. Keep your finger there until a small menu appears at the top or near the message. This is your quick action bar. Look for the reply option. If you don't see it right away, you might need to tap the right arrow or a more option, shown as three dots, to reveal additional actions. Tap reply. You'll notice that above the text box at the bottom, WhatsApp now shows a preview of the message you're replying to. That preview is your confirmation that your next message will be linked to that specific content. There's also a faster way to do the same thing. Instead of pressing and holding, simply swipe right on the message bubble you want to respond to. A light, deliberate swipe is all it takes. As soon as you do, the reply preview will appear above the keyboard just like before. This shortcut is great when you're moving quickly through a thread and want to keep the conversation tidy. With the reply preview in place, type your response in the text box at the bottom of the screen. You can add emojis, attach a photo, or paste a link, anything you'd normally send in a message. When you're happy with what you've written, tap Send. Your message will appear in the chat with the original quoted snippet at the top, making the context crystal clear to everyone. In group chats, it will also show who sent the original message, so there's no confusion. That's all there is to it. Open WhatsApp, press and hold to choose reply, or swipe right on the message, then type and send. Use this whenever you need to clarify what you're answering, follow up on older points, or keep long discussions organized. It's a small habit that makes your conversations much easier to follow.